Welcome to this tutorial which teaches you how to resize a document. Now most likely you do not have Canva Pro. If you do, the resize option is up here and you can just type in the new size, go copy and resize, and Canva will do all the work for you. However, if you're using the free version of Canva, I'll show you a way to do it as well. So what you can do is go up to File, go Create a New Design, enter your size. I'm going to enter 8 times 10 inches. Now you can see I've got a blank canvas at my new size and I've got 2 tabs open at the top. Say that I wanted to select all of this. I can go Control A on my keyboard. Now to copy it, ready to paste over here, I will go Control C on my keyboard. Click to the new tab. Control V to paste. And now I can adjust it and make sure it's centered.